In this video, I'm going to show you how I make 1 million naira on a monthly basis with FGN Savings Bonds. I actually built a 1 million naira monthly salary, that's monthly passive income, with FGN Savings Bonds. Right in my sleep, I keep earning my money. My money keeps making more money for me, right? So I'm going to show you how that works, right in this video. So if you are seeing this video, it means you already probably know what FGN Savings Bonds is. So I won't spend so much time explaining FGN Savings Bonds. But in case you don't know what FGN Savings Bonds is, I'm going to link my video up here. So please just watch it. You see the link will pop up. Go and watch that video to know what FGN Savings Bonds is, the type and all of that, and even how to invest in it. You will find it in that link. On this video, I'm going to show you how I built a 1 million naira monthly salary with FGN Savings Bonds. And at the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. All right. So I'm going to share this template with you. It's going to be available in the pinned comment, free of charge, so you can download it, and then you can use it to do your simulation as well. Okay. Now let's get into the video proper. All right. So what I will do is this. So because I want to achieve 1 million naira monthly salary, I would need to invest in multiple FGN Savings Bonds. So we call this bond laddering. Bond laddering is the act of layering your investment, your bond investment, such that at every point in time, as in defined time, be monthly, you will get paid salaries, you will get paid income from that investment on a monthly basis. So when you ladder your bonds, you get paid incomes on a monthly basis. So it's good to ladder your bonds. So when you ladder your bonds, it enables you to be able to generate monthly passive income for yourself. All right, so I'll go into laddering now. So what we'll be doing today is laddering actually. So let's go into it right away. All right, so in the first month, I'm going to invest 30 million naira. Right, so I will invest 30 million naira. So 30 million naira is my first investment. So I'm going to put 30 million here. That is in July. In July, we put in 30 million. So this 30 million, because it's an investment for me, it's an outflow, I'm going to make it negative, right? So it's jacket on this Excel template. So 30 million has left my account. All right. So on a quarterly basis, I'm going to get 1 million, another 1 million in the next quarter, another 1 million in the next quarter, another 1 million. I will get it for 2 years. That's 8 quarters, right? The last one will end here, which is 10th of, that will be 10th of July. That is when I will get my last payment of interest, 10th of July, right? So 2028 rather, 10th of July 2028 is when I will get my last payment. So let me just paintbrush this so that we have same. All right, so I'm going to get 1 million naira for those months. Now remember what to achieve. We want to achieve monthly passive income so that we are paid on a monthly basis. So if I just stay with this investment, it means I'll be paid only quarterly. So I won't get payments in between. So but I want to ensure I get monthly payments. So I will now come here and invest another 30 million naira. Remember, my goal is to get 1 million per month. That's why I'm doing 30 million. If your own is 2 million, then you do 60 million. That's assuming this rate is still the same rate next month. So the rate can change. So which is why you have this Excel, and you can always play around with the rate. So depending on rates that the government issues, the savings bond, then you can now determine the amount of investment that you need to put in. All right. So with this 30 million now, you can see for the second 30 million, which is the yellow cell, you can see the first quarter is in November, then the next quarter is in February 2027, the next one again is in May 2027, another one in August 2027, down the way up to the last month here, which will be August. So it will be 10 August 2028. So that will be the last time I will get the last installment for this payment. All right, so now we have for 2 quarters running, right? We have quarterly payments for 2 quarters already running. So this is from the first investment and then from second investment. So now the third and the last one that will guarantee my monthly salaries and monthly passive income. So I invest another 30 million naira, right? So another 30 million naira, right? And then I have my last quarter income, monthly income, which is 1 million of 1 million every quarter up until 10th of September 10th of September 2028. Imagine for the next 2 years, I'm guaranteed 1 million naira income on a monthly basis. Is this not wonderful? And imagine that you have 100 million to do every quarter or every month. Yeah, this first 3 months, you have 100 million, or you have 200 million, or you have 300 million. You can imagine the type of incomes that you would make, right? For doing nothing, right? Your money is just busy working for you, right? So looking at all this now, so if I extract all the quarterly payments, right, which is on this column, so that every month I get salaries, I get passive income every month, and my capital is still there. My capital is with the government, saved and reserved. They will pay me my full capital back at the end of the tenure of this FGN, of the three bonds, right, running together. Another good thing, if you know that you don't want to, you don't necessarily need this money, right? You don't want to spend this money on a monthly basis. You can be saving this money towards your next investment again. So by the time this the first quarter finish running, all the interest, put it together with your capital, and use it to reinvest. They use it to buy another bond again, and then later want to run again for another cycle of 2 years or 3 years, depending on the one that you choose. Now, don't come and ask me whether I actually earn this money, right? Don't ask me. So, but the good thing is that you already know how to earn monthly passive income, right? Making this investment, taking advantage of the FGN savings bonds. So if you have found value in this video so far, please like the video and share it with your friends. Let other people also see it as well, so that they can benefit from what we are discussing, what you have learned so far. So if I don't earn million per month, you can see I'm making 3 million, 3.4 million on a monthly basis. So from a 300 million, with a 300 million investment, right? Because all my investment here is 3 million. The 3 million naira investment, I'll be making total income, total interest income of that is 82 million naira, right? With my 300 million, I'll be making 82 million naira with my 300 million naira. That's a lot of money, right? Free money that you are getting, and you are getting your principal back. This is a safe investment, very secured. The FGN Savings Bond is very secured. It's backed by the government, so it's very secured and saved. There's no fear that you will lose your money at all, right? So that is why this is very, very good. Then before we go, let's also change the interest rate. Let's even stagger the interest rate and see whether there will be any significant changes. All right. So just stay with me. Thank you for staying with me. Now, so let's tweak the interest rates like we said earlier. So if I tweak the interest rate now, let's assume that in July the interest rate will change to 15%, right? Assume it changes to 15%. Then in August, assume it changes to this 15% written as this. Assume that in August it changes to, then it falls back to say 14.5%, right? Let's assume that. Then in September, let's assume it now jumped to 17%. It's an assumption anyways, right? So what happens? So you can see that our interest rate has changed, right? So in the first month, the first one is 15%. So you can see all the quarterly payments here are 3.750, right? Second month, when it is 14, the quarterly payment will reduce, and they are now 3.626. And in the third month that we have 17%, you can see the increase. What it then means is that if the rate changes, then your monthly passive income may stagger. So it may not be the same fixed amount on a monthly basis throughout the period. But the most important thing is that you would still get your passive income. Also, if you stagger the amount you're investing, you don't have to invest one particular amount all through for the 3 months. So you can do different amounts. For instance, you can first do 50 million, right? So 50 million, sorry. 50 million. Then the next month you do 40 million. Sorry, 40 million. 40 million, right? Then the next one you now do 100 million. So you will still have your result. So the amount will be different. And it doesn't have to be all this big money. So if it's only 1 million you have, just put your 1 million there. Just put your 1 million. If it's only 1 million you have, put it. Proudly put it to. 1 million. Proudly put it. If it's only 1 million you have, please proudly put it there. Work it out and see what you will get. So you will get that 7,000. So on a monthly basis, you will get this type of income.